What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Cardano here, and as you can see, really we are still just heading to the downside, aren't we? Looking very bearish over the past week or so for a lot of altcoins, and Cardano is no exception to this. You can see we kind of came into a bit more of a range here again, but then we came down and lost the low again, didn't we? And you know, we're still getting a continuation to the downside here, forming some small but bullish divergences on the daily time frame in this local area, but still really just forcing the price to the downside, aren't we? Everyone feeling very bearish over this period here. And you'd say realistically, now that Cardano is kind of losing this area of support here, this small area of structure that we did see all the way back here, you know, realistically, as we said before, we are heading down towards that 16 or 17 cent level, aren't we? All the way back down here, which would be realistically, you know, the kind of area that Cardano was hitting its head up against before the bull market, really. Obviously, we had the big COVID crash and then the continuation up here like this. But realistically, Cardano is heading down, looking for a key level of support, isn't it? And if it does lose this low here, then we are going to be probably in free fall, down from around the 24 cent level there, down at, you know, sub 20 cents realistically, down towards this key level of support in this area. We do think that's probably fairly likely at this point. Obviously, we do have bullish divergences here as the price does continue to push its way to the downside, force its way to the downside really, because we're not seeing any real bounces in the market at all over the past few weeks, are we? It's just, you know, down, sideways, down, with no real retracements. And if we were going to enter a short, we would be looking for a retracement back to a previous level, you know, of support as resistance like this to take a short back down. But realistically, you know, Cardano, just like most cryptos, looking extremely bearish. It's just heading down and down and down, looking for basically a bit of support to get that bounce on. Until we see that, you know, short term we are very bearish. Mid to long term, still bullish on most cryptos. Cardano we do think is probably going to continue to do well in the long term as well. And realistically, you know, we're probably looking at another 6 to 12 months of this, aren't we, before we see another bull market probably going into 2024. So we'll just keep you updated on what's going on every day. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.